Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2023. Affiliate marketing is a great way to get started as an entrepreneur in 2023. It is an attractive business model for those just starting out, as it requires minimal investment and allows you to earn commission from the products and services you promote. It is also a great way to gain experience and build a portfolio of successful marketing campaigns. With the right strategies and tactics in place, you can be on your way to achieving success in affiliate marketing. As we continue to post more videos on our channel, they are only going to become more extensive. With each new video, you will be able to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to do it successfully. We would really appreciate it if you could take the time to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you can receive notifications when we create new videos. That way, you can always stay up to date with the latest and greatest affiliate marketing advice and tips. Thank you for your support.